and welcome to Lou Designs. My name is Lou, and in this channel, I share easy-to-follow tips, tutorials, and resources about funnels, websites, graphic design, branding, and more. So if you love those topics, be sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a fillable PDF from a regular PDF without using Adobe Acrobat. Fillable PDFs are super useful if you're collecting information digitally, creating reusable templates, or just want to avoid printing and scanning documents over and over again. You can turn any normal PDF into an interactive form with text fields, checkboxes, and even signature areas. For this tutorial, I'm using Tenorshare PDNob. It works on both Mac and Windows, and what I like about it is how clean and fast the interface is. You don't need any design or technical background. It's mostly drag and drop. You can check it out using the link in the description. Step 1. Open your PDF. Once you open Tenorshare PDNob, start by uploading the PDF you want to make fillable. This can be a contract, a registration form, a worksheet, or a workbook for your students if you're a coach, or even an older PDF template you already have. The software works well with both structured PDFs and scanned documents. Step 2. Add form fields. Next, switch to the form editing mode. From here, you can easily add text fields, checkboxes, drop-down menus, signature fields. You simply click the field you want and drag it into position on the PDF. Step 3. Edit and adjust fields. After adding the fields, you can fine-tune them. You can adjust field size, required or optional inputs. This is super helpful if you're creating professional forms or documents that other people will fill out. Everything updates instantly, so you can preview how the final form looks right away. Step 4. Save and use your fillable PDF. Once you're happy with everything, just save the PDF. Now you have a fully fillable PDF that anyone can open and complete digitally, no Adobe needed. You can reuse this file as many times as you want, which saves a lot of time in the long run. So let's test it. If you regularly work with forms, templates, or documents that require input, especially if you're a coach or a course creator and you want to give out workbook to your students so that you can make your course interactive, having a fillable PDF is really a game changer, so they don't have to like print it out and write their answers to the workbook. They just have to fill it out from their computer. So using a tool like Tenorshare PDNob can really simplify your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Again, you can try using Tenorshare PDNob using the link in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.